Hey, this is Sean from Triune IT, and today we're going to be talking about my new little gadget, the Fat Gecko 3-suction. So I took delivery of this like late last night, so I'm really eager to actually put this on. It's a 3-suction cup and it's supposed to support up to 12 pounds. So I installed a little quick release device on there, the Arca style, and I'm going to mount this for the first time. So let's get on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the screen and then I'm going to take it for a little drive just to see how stable the image is. Hopefully my camera doesn't go tumbling to the ground. So without further ado, let's get this installed. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it about here. So my understanding, we'll see how this works. You push, make sure you got a good seal, push on the button and slide across. Oh man, that's solid. Same again. Push on the button, slide across. And then the top one, I was going to pull it up slightly. Make sure a good seal. Push on the button. Is that, yeah. And slide across. All right. Seems to be on. So let's get this installed. Okay, so I've got this set up. We're going to get this going. Let's fire everything up. I'm using autofocus right now, and I'm using center weighted. So with a custom white balance because it's a little bit darker in here. So let's go and see what this image looks like. All right, we're gonna pull out, everything good. Now I'm hoping the focus is good. This we will see. Okay, hopefully white balance is good. I live in a slightly hilly area, so it's going to be interesting to see how this works. My camera's, I can see the camera out to my peripheral vision. It's bouncing around. So I'm using a GH5 with a Lycra lens. So I've got dual stabilization going on. So I'm very interested just to see just how smooth or how bumpy this image is. As you can see, just lots of trucks. One of my biggest concerns is just not only the stability of the picture, was how good this would hold. Like I said, it's supposed to hold 12 pounds. But this GH5 I mean, it's under 2 pounds. But you never know, and you've got a $2,000 for the body alone, and then you add on the lenses, and you know, you don't want it to go crashing to the ground. So before I use this on the outside, I want to make sure that it'll survive. Good morning.
Sir.
Just dropping off.
Need a receipt?
Yes, please. All right, so this is coming from a different perspective. This is kind of bizarre look. Interesting. Okay, so I took the test drive. I've got to go through this footage. I like what I see. It's solid. It didn't move. I mean, there was bouncing, but that's just natural bouncing. It's really easy to install. So let me go and look at some of this footage and get a final report. So there we have it. As you look through the picture, I think you'll agree that the Fat Gecko triple suction mount was a great piece of equipment. There was very little movement in the whole picture. It was very stable, very impressed. For lighter cameras, they do a double mount or a single mount. So that'd be interesting to see how those review as well. However, if you're in the market for a mount for your camera, I strongly recommend this. So that concludes for today. If you like, thumbs up. If you don't like, thumbs down. It's the only way we're going to get better. Please subscribe. Once again, my name is Sean from Triune IT Consulting. You have a wonderful day. Bye.